Now we're going to solve another mixed equation. 4x minus 1 equals 3x. My goal is going to be to move the 4x over with the 3x. First, however, I'm going to rewrite the equation. 4x plus negative 1 equals 3x. Now, to move the 4x, I'll add the opposite of 4x to both sides of the equation. This is the strategy whenever I want to move something, a number or a letter, from one side of the equal sign to the other. I add the opposite. So I'll have 0 plus negative 1 on the left, and on the right, let's see what's going on here. 3x is x plus x plus x. Negative 4x is negative x plus negative x plus negative x plus negative x. Oops, I ran out of room. Now when I add opposites, I get 0. X plus negative x is 0, x plus negative x is 0, and x plus negative x is 0, leaving me with a negative x. So 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1, and that equals negative x. Now we're going to take a step into more advanced work. The number negative 1 in front of the x is called the coefficient. Whenever I have an equation that comes down to one number term on one side of the equation and a letter term on the other side of the equation, I divide both sides by the coefficient of the letter. That is, I divide both sides here by negative 1, because negative 1 divided by itself is positive 1. So here I go. I'm dividing both sides of the equation by negative 1 because negative 1 on top and negative 1 on the bottom cancel. Another way of looking at it is that negative 1 over negative 1 is positive 1. So x equals 1. Let's check our work just to make sure. I write down the original equation, 4x minus 1 equals 3x. Then I substitute 1 for the x. So I'll have 4 times 1 minus 1 equals 3 times 1. Well, 4 times 1, there we go. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3 times 1, which is 3. Well, 3 equals 3, and that's true. So that means that x equals 1 is the correct answer. Talk to you later.